T-minus 10, 9, 8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And liftoff. The Falcon takes flight, propelling the Deep Space Climate Observatory on a million-mile journey to protect our planet Earth.
Morning, Base GC OSM, move to section 10.65.
First stage PU is active.
Beautiful ascent.
Power torching up.
1 minute, 13 seconds after liftoff, the Falcon 9 will reach supersonic speed. 50 seconds into flight now. Falcon 9 basking in the glow of a sunset.
Altitude 6.5 kilometers. Downrange distance 1.3 kilometers. Speed 599 meters per second.
Recovery has acquisition of signal.
Standing by to pass through the maximum aerodynamic
Vehicle is
pressure.
supersonic.
Falcon 9 is supersonic.
Vehicle
First
has
stage
reached
propulsion.
maximum aerodynamic pressure.
First stage prop is still nominal.
Everything go.
Power and telemetry remain nominal.
Falcon and Discover passing through max Q.
MVAC is chilling in.
2 minutes into the flight of Falcon
Vehicle
and
remains
Discover.
on a nominal trajectory. Altitude 33.9 kilometers. Downrange distance 20.9 kilometers. Speed 1468 meters per second.
Standing by for the first stage engines to shut down. First stage cutoff in about 23 seconds.
Vehicle remains on a nominal trajectory. Altitude 57.9 kilometers. Downrange distance 50.0 kilometers. Speed 2350 meters per second.
We have MECO 1.
And we have main engine cutoff.
Separation confirmed.
Second stage engine ignition
And we have stage 2 engine ignition.
has occurred on time. The Falcon 9 Merlin vacuum engine producing 92,000 pounds of thrust, continuing to carry Discover to its place in space. Standing by for the fairing jettison. This will expose Discover to space for the first time. And we see a
Fairing
good
separation
fairing
confirmed.
jettison.